Are you experiencing low energy, decreased muscle mass, or a lack of motivation? These could be key indicators of declining testosterone levels, a natural process that often begins around age 30. Testosterone is a crucial hormone for men, vital for sperm production, sex drive, muscle strength, bone growth, and even mood regulation. Low testosterone can lead to reduced sex drive, erectile dysfunction, increased body fat, and difficulty concentrating. But there's good news. Natural testosterone boosters offer a solution to help revitalize your manhood and support overall well-being. These dietary supplements are formulated with natural ingredients known to promote your body's own testosterone production. Unlike synthetic hormone replacement therapy, natural boosters work with your body's biological processes, offering a safer and more sustainable approach. One of the primary benefits is increased testosterone production, which combats fatigue, reduced muscle mass, and decreased libido. They also enhance muscle mass and strength, supporting growth, improving recovery, and boosting physical performance. Improved libido and sexual performance are significant advantages, as these boosters can increase sex drive and enhance overall sexual satisfaction. You'll also experience increased energy levels, helping you feel more energized and focused throughout your day. Mood enhancement is another key benefit, as balanced testosterone levels contribute to mental well-being, reducing irritability and depression. Furthermore, natural boosters support bone health, crucial for maintaining bone density and reducing the risk of osteoporosis as you age. They can also improve cardiovascular health, potentially reducing the risk of heart-related issues often linked to low testosterone. Beyond supplements, lifestyle changes are paramount. Incorporate healthy fats from avocados and nuts, and protein from lean meats and eggs into your diet. Foods rich in zinc like oysters and spinach, and magnesium from leafy greens, are essential for testosterone production. Regular exercise, especially weightlifting and high-intensity interval training, stimulates muscle growth and testosterone production. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly, as most testosterone release occurs during this crucial recovery period. When considering natural testosterone boosters, prioritize reputable brands that emphasize quality and safety. Look for products with scientifically backed ingredients like D-aspartic acid, fenugreek extract, zinc, and vitamin D. Ensure transparent formulas with clear ingredient information, and choose established brands with positive customer reviews. Testoprime, for example, is a leading provider known for its scientifically formulated blend of powerful, carefully chosen ingredients. If you're experiencing the effects of decreasing testosterone, natural testosterone boosters can be a game changer for your overall well-being. Remember to choose a reputable brand that guarantees quality and efficiency. Reclaim your vitality and thrive with the power of natural testosterone boosters. For official warranty, easy returns, and 24/7 support, check the description below for the official store link. Loving the content? Show your support by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. It really helps.